The very current exchanging volume of torrential slide sort of is at $171,712,411. In spite of mainstream thinking, Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, showing that Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avax United States dollar medium-term support sort of remained at $13.68 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slides EMA 10 explicitly shows a descending pattern in every way that really matters, huge way. 18 August 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for kind of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some things facts. What truly is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, essentially is Avax a sort of wise speculation, which generally is very huge. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to plunging profound into the Avax specialized examination, by and large, let us basically discuss the for the most part current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. Market investigation over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,100,425,532, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The by and large complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $71,015,534,287, exhibiting that 18 August 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually really clarified some pressing issues facts. What especially is transient cost expectation for torrential slide, sort of is Avax a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the very current exchanging volume of torrential slide fundamentally is at $171,712,411, or so they by and large thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time span, which essentially is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 13.42, and at present exchanging at 51 cents in a very large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. These occasions explicitly show that the market really is going in a for the most part descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value decline of 6.02%. Coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the in every practical sense, current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $171,712,411, or so they by and large thought. Right now, a truly broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of large manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how the genuinely current exchanging volume of torrential slide sort of is at $171,712,411, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Support generally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become genuinely more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. showing how the essentially complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $71,015,534,287, exhibiting that 18 August 2023. In this video we will walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to respond to these habitually clarified some pressing issues, facts. What in every way that really matters is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for torrential slide. Truly is Avax a fundamentally wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers truly become move commonly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how the extremely current exchanging volume of torrential slide generally is at $171,712,411, which basically is genuinely critical. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The exceptionally current torrential slide cost explicitly is $10.81, with an exchanging volume of $171,712,411 in the precise beyond 24 hours, so these occasions generally show that the market really is going in a kind of descending heading for genuinely present moment. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value diminishing of 6.02%. coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the truly current exchanging volume of torrential slide in a real sense is at $171,712,411 in a very large manner. Right now, Avax essentially is somewhere near 4.65% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,717,263,807 United States dollars, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value lessening of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, showing that the especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is at $171,712,411. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 18 August 2023, inside a very everyday time span for the most part made sense of beneath. So torrential slides EMA10, in every practical sense, shows an exceptionally descending pattern, which by and large is genuinely critical. We utilize truly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to basically examine the future development of the avalanche. While Avax's Williams %R pointer especially is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan